Hi, my name is Jillian and I'm a junior at WashU and I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why I should be a Figma campus leader. Let's go. First, F. I'm a founder. I'm the co-president of WashUX, which is WashU's first UI/UX club, where we host career events and projects. I is for influence. I'm a content creator on Instagram and TikTok, where I make short-form reels about productivity and college life. I know how to communicate myself and a brand like Figma efficiently and clearly. G is for growth. I've been able to grow WashUX to 100 members and my personal TikTok to 1,000 followers. I know how to get to a message to a broad audience. M is for marketing. I'm a marketing major and a sales intern for a startup called Chi. I've done pop-ups for hundreds of people and made social media content for over 18,000 followers. A is for ambition. When I have a vision, I go for it. I've noticed the lack of design resources for WashU students. As a Figma campus leader, I'll bring the resources straight to them. So that's why I would like to bring Figma to this campus. Thanks for watching.